Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 11F, and let me share with you how to activate and turn off the OTG connection on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to localize this OTG connection option. So let's simply tap on it, tap on the switcher on it, and from now on this option is active. If you want to turn it off, you can either do it manually just by tapping on the switcher again, or wait approximately 10 minutes, because after that time your device will automatically turn off the OTG connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.